In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The approval of the proposal to transfer water from Kona River to the Runta Dam Basin at the regular meeting of the Technical Committee of the Economic Commission. The prevention of the forced marriage of two women in Molistan, the district of Ghazni. And the crash of a small aircraft during an emergency land attempt in Mexico. Welcome to today's news package. It's Tuesday, the 25th of Jamad al-Thani, 1447, the 25th of Qaws, 1404, and the 16th of December, 2025. The news details. At the regular meeting of the Technical Committee of the Economic Commission, the proposal to transfer water from Kona River to the Runta Dam Basin through the lower section of the Kemberi Plain was approved. The Economic Deputy Office of the Prime Minister states that with the transfer of water from the Kona River to the Runta Dam, the problems of the water shortage for many agricultural land in Nangarhar province will be resolved. During the same meeting, the fifth section of the Badghis Provincial Ring Road project with the length of 25 kilometers was also discussed, and the relevant committee was tasked to carry out a comprehensive assessment of the project. Maulavi Saiful Islam Khaybar, the spokesperson of the Ministry of Promotion of Virtue and Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints, states that mutasibs in Ghazni province have prevented the forced marriage of two women in Molistan district. Based on Maulavi Khaybar's statement, the families of two women intended to marry them off forcibly without their consent. The news continuation. The Media Office of Herat Provincial Governor reports that out of 30 planned development projects of Injil District Municipality for the current fiscal year, work on 24 projects has so far been completed and put into operation. The projects include urban lighting, road construction, building of canals and culverts, as well as urban beautification programs. And finally, international media quoting Mexican authority reports that a small aircraft crashed while attempting emergency landing in Mexico, resulting in at least 7 fatalities. In accordance with the report, the incident occurred yesterday, Monday, December 15, in the industrial area of St. Matthew Atinco, the west of Mexico City, the capital of the country. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.